Welcome to JH. So, TikWatcher.site claims to be a magical land where you can earn money just by watching TikTok videos. Because clearly, the world was lacking a way to monetize your daily dose of brain rot. It says that if you click Start Earning and review some videos, you'll be swimming in cash. But is this platform actually legit, or is it just another digital dumpster fire? Let's find out together. The first red flag is that this site was reportedly created in November 2025. It's so fresh it's practically from the future, which is great if you're a time traveler, but a bit of a problem if you're looking for a trustworthy financial history. Usually, sites this new are about as reliable as a weather forecast in a hurricane. Then we have the Start Earning button. Instead of giving you clear instructions or, actual work, it redirects you to a completely different page. It's like walking into a bank and being redirected to a back alley. Totally normal behavior for a professional business, right? This lack of transparency is a massive warning sign that something is off. To make matters worse, the site puts you through an endless loop of random questions without ever delivering a reward. It's basically a digital interrogation where the only prize is your own frustration. If you enjoy being ghosted by a website after doing free labor, this is the place for you. On top of that, there is absolutely no contact support or privacy policy to be found. A trustworthy platform usually likes to prove it exists, but this one is playing a high-stakes game of hide-and-seek. We also checked Trustpilot and found 0 reviews. No feedback, no user experiences, nothing. It's a ghost town with more red flags than a parade. So, is TikWatcher.site legit? Based on the shady redirects, the non-existent history, and the total lack of contact info, it's a hard pass. Honestly, you're better off keeping your data safe and avoiding this platform altogether. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates like this.